Hey dancers, welcome back to Healthy Habits, where fitness meets fun. Today we're doing a high-energy dance-based workout that'll get your heart pumping, calories burning, and those good vibes flowing. Whether you're here to lose weight, tone up, or just have a blast, you're in the right place. No dance experience, no problem. Just follow my lead and let's move together. Let's get our bodies ready with a quick warm-up. Easy moves to get the blood flowing. Step touch side to side, 30 sec. Shoulder rolls plus arm raises, 30 sec. Hip circles plus gentle twists, 30 sec. Light march in place plus clap, 30 sec. All right, feeling warmer? Let's dance. This round is all about rhythm and hips. Follow these moves. Salsa step, side to side with hip rolls, 1 min. Step back mid plus body roll, 1 min cumbia cross. Step pedals clap, 1 min hip shakes plus quick feet, 1 min freestyle groove, your style. 1 min yes, you're doing amazing. Grab a sip if you need. We're just getting started. Let's take it up a notch with powerful Afrobeat moves. Bounce step plus shoulder pop, 1 min slide plus arm swing, 1 min knee up plus punch combo, 1 min stomp and groove, low squat bounce, 1 min Afro freestyle with expression. Min, that's the fire I'm talking about. Keep it going, don't stop now. This set will crank up the cardio. Let's burn those calories. Grapevine plus arm flicks, 1 min jump touch plus step back, 1 min punch left right plus quick feet, 1 min side kick plus cross step, 1 min freestyle dance party, 1 min whoo, you're crushing it. And high five through the screen. Let's cool it down just a little before the final push. Final push team, let's combine everything into one dance party finisher. Combo, salsa step plus shoulder pop, 1 min. Combo, jump plus hip roll plus stomp, 1 min combo. Step touch plus quick arms plus bounce, 1 min now. 1 minute of freestyle madness. Bring the fun, feel the beat, and just move. 1 min. Amazing job. Now let's slow it down and stretch those hard-working muscles. Side sway plus deep breaths. 30 sec hamstring stretch, left and right. 30 sec shoulder stretch and arm pull. 30 sec neck rolls. Plus forward fold, 30 sec you did it. 20 minutes of pure energy, sweat, and fun. If you enjoyed this dance workout, smash that like button, subscribe for more good vibes, and drop it in the comments if you want more sessions like this. See you in the next one. Stay energized and keep dancing.